What up, chat? Is it better with this one? Might be. A little better for the glare. Okay, took out that low there. And because that low got taken out, I'm a little bit more confident in sells now because we made a new low. And we pulled back towards this top end. So I'd like a trade with a stop loss above here from here. Yeah, it's weak from here. Now, if that high gets taken out here, I'd be out. It's my son in the background, y'all hear. But these are a lot of equal highs, so I don't like it that much. I really want to see this kind of play a little bit before I like trade. You know what I'm saying? But we can get some because we got this low broken here, those stops being taken out, and then coming right back into this consolidation. Might snap those. We might snap these highs, and then come back to the downside. I know it's not usually how I do the live. We usually got the whole studio set up with the screen sharing and whatnot. But you done not today, because I want to see how much difference is made with the go live on the mobile jaunt versus on the desktop. Like, is there really a difference that much? My son is loud this morning. Yo, what's good, chat? My son trying to say what's good, chat. Now price is going slightly down. It looks weak here. It definitely looks mad weak here. And because we got these lows snapped first is what makes me want to take this to the downside. Let me see. Mark all that as red. But like I said, there's a good chance this high gets taken out. It's just a matter of, does that happen now, right now? It keeps coming up here and showing weakness. But the market's just open, so like, you never want to trade too much when the market's just now opening. I don't think I actually like this trade here anymore, because I want to see some more liquidity come into the markets. Give me my son. Give me my son.
I'm over here like fucking quiet.
You're vocal this morning, kid. And now you won't be quiet. It's because he's over here with me now, y'all. Huh? Glare? Yeah. Oh, I know what you mean. Because it's too big. Yeah, I tried that. But y'all say what's up, chat. Oh, what's up, Blake? I ain't see you say hi till just now. My bad. But oh, there we go. There we go. We got price moving in our favor. Und many pips is that so far? 10 pips. Full move here is 60. A very small move, especially for NASDAQ. Catch 60 pips anywhere. It is showing a lot of weakness here. Um, Patience might just win this one. Patience might just win this one. And see, I knew I was right. Like the when you go live on mobile, it reaches out to more people. It's like 16 people in the chat now. I'm live on desktop every single morning, right? Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and it does not show the live to as many people. So I guess that's the wave. That's the way now. Y'all go ahead and hit that sub button though. So y'all can, you know what I'm saying, get tapped in when we go live. Hit the bell icon so you know as soon as we go live and whatnot. I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, waste the opportunity to be in front of all you beautiful people this morning. um, Mobile all day. I didn't know that mobile did so much better. It doesn't give me. I gotta figure out how to do the setup where it's like mobile live, but sort of screen sharing. You know what I'm saying? Because I see people do it where they're like, they're trading. They got their face there and their screen there. I think I might need like an actual camera for that. I gotta go buy a camera. Or I mean, I don't know. There might be an app for it, but somebody got to let me know. Um, because I'm still new to the streaming realm. I've been making videos for a long time, but I'm still newer to the streaming. I've been trying to keep my consistency up with this whole streaming stuff. This junk is choppy right now, mad choppy, mad choppy. But y'all have the we'll come back to it after we check out some stuff. Let's look at DXY real quick. Let's do our job this morning. Um, I said on like one of the live sessions recently, I was like, I don't usually, or no, I said in one of the videos, I was like, I don't be executing that much on the lives, but here we are. DXY we've been talking about this level for forever. You good, son? We've been talking about this level forever, and we got down here, and I was like, maybe it won't, but nah. Then we reversed here, and I was like, nah, we probably gonna go see about this level. I hope. I'm gonna have to go back and clip when I was saying this, and then clip now, cause like I don't know the oracleness of it. We've finally got here, and now that we've built this structure here, I can see what it looks like. I do think we go see this 100 point 50 level here. I do think we go test this out because I mean there's not, I mean, the path of least resistance is to the upside. It seems like it's gotta, I think buyers are gonna come in here if price decides to come all the way back into this. Now price may just come back into let me make this a little bit smaller or more refined. Price could come back and bounce off of this and then keep going higher. But if price does beam back into here, I think the bulls come back in. This dollar strength I think is gonna pull us to this at least 100 level. Let's take a look at EURUSD. um, Man, I really wanted to sell so bad, but I was maybe too patient, right? Because I could have took the sell when I was like, when the price is up here, and I was like, hey guys, price is gonna sell way down here. But I wanted to get a pullback, and it just didn't give me a good enough, you know what I'm saying? Like come down to the 30-minute, it just melted and melted and melted and melted. I would have liked for price to, give us some stoppage here, give us a pullback, and then catch the entry like that. This, you know what I'm saying? I don't end up usually trading much when price is just straight up melting. It's generally not the safest thing to do. We can get rid of that though. I do think we're gonna get more selling on from here though. This level here was, all this got melted through, so we know for sure there's gonna be a pullback. I could throw a fib on that mug right quick. Ooh. And then, Trump wants a strong dollar. They just let us know that, there's going to be, well, I mean, not just let us know, it's July 30th and there's no rate cut, and we thought there was possibly going to be one at the very end of the month, and then here we are and there's no rate cut. So bullish USD. um that sound that you just heard is the notification that I have for our trading bot. So it makes that sound every time it trades. It just took a short on USD ZAR. Hey, babe, throw me my phone real quick. 2 seconds. Just gotta confirm that it took the short. We're still in, early phase, so I gotta make sure everything gets taken when it's taken. Okay. Is it already there? Yeah. And then I gotta make sure it trades on all the other accounts as well. You told me it's already there. I don't see it. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Bot just took a short on USD ZAR. I was just confirming that the master account did indeed take it, and it did indeed take it. Let me get this set up like I want to. Probably gonna put a pending order here. Yeah, I like the pending order for there. Wow, get a sniper right there. I'm not sure if y'all can see the entry that well because we're on the mobile, so I'll say it for you. It's 1.16170. That's my entry. Again, this is not no trading advice. It's not no financial advice. Y'all are just getting a window into the account of a sniper. That's all this is. But let me go check out this USD ZAR. Why it's not? Oh, I was like, why is it not showing? Because I don't have my strategy showing. There it is. It just took us out. Looks like a sniper. I ain't gonna lie. Not gonna lie, it looks like a sniper. That's harmony for you. I swear that's harmony for you. Bong, bongo. Just took a sell there, and you can see that it's obviously probably gonna sell off to at least this area here. More than likely. All right. But we don't have to, we have the bot worried about that, so we don't have to worry. We don't have to worry our pretty little heads about that right there. I just watched Euro USD and SPX500 a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have the bot watching SPX anyway for me. Our bot, well, I don't have the bot actually running on Euro, but technically it is. Yeah, it's in a buy right now. That's odd. But it's why I don't have the bot running on Euro USD. It's not one of its better assets to trade. I have the bot trading on CAD JPY, Euro CAD, AUD USD, USD ZAR, EUR Czech, and GBP HKD and GBP SGD. those are what you would be basically subscribing to if you decided to subscribe to our bot. Your bot would be trading those assets. Granted, some days I might have one inactive while I have something else active or something like that. I do have autonomy over the master account, but I try to make sure that the bot is always trading its best assets at all times. It can trade other things on other time frames for sure, but to keep everything stable and growing consistently for all of our subscribers is the goal. So we want to just kind of leave those how they are. I can kind of turn this off. I don't actually trade with my bot. I let my bot trade, and then let it do what it's to do for all its assets. You wanna go back to your mama? He want his mama.
Come off my face.
Where was I? Oh yeah. Um, Definitely think we'll see. Where's the entry so far over? We can move this over some. Oh, I moved the entry. 170, 180, something like that. One of those. Pretty close. Not very far off. Um, That's our sniper. So our sniper is really this high here, this last little swing high getting broken here, which is something we all love for, precision trading. We love when a swing high get broken, it tells us something's happening. Now granted, a lot of people are going to think that that swing high being broken, there are a lot of people are going to think that this swing high here being broken is a sign of bullishness and they should buy it. And then they're probably going to put their stop losses right above this high here, and then they're going to get snapped out when we take sells here and it goes to the downside. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Now let me go back. Did she go back higher? Nope. Yes and no. Yes and no. She did exactly what I said she was gonna do a few minutes ago. Went, snapped that high, and then ripped back lower. Luckily, all of our stop losses are mental, and this wouldn't have told me to close. You know, we like a strong close above this area here would have been like, okay, yeah, no, that's a loser. But that's not what happened. This is just market moving around with extra liquidity and whatnot. You know, um, that was a solid trade though. I mean, uh, everything held pretty true. Everything held pretty true. And there you go, live trading for y'all. Like, y'all see what I do? See how it's done? See why I don't like that? Nah, these are pretty small pips. To catch. That doesn't prove anything. Um, but we are at what 16 minutes. Not bad. Let's look at Nas. Actually, let's look at MNQ. Let's look at MNQ, guys. Super volatile. Super volatile. Um, Not obvious signs. Let me put my MA on. Put my MA on, and then go to the 5 minute. Yeah, I mean like, shit. Look almost as just as weak as SPX, but I mean that's a given, really. Now I'd like to see price become like a little bit overbought here, and maybe that's like a break or test of this here. Um, That's a heck of a wick. We're gonna fill in that wick. Definitely gonna fill in that wick. The way I trade this, so knowing where price is gonna end up here. It's just a matter of how do you make your money on the way there, right? Um, I want to see this get tested. Take a sniper there. Stop losses. Uh, in mentally, you know, with a strong close above here, then I would just call it a L, and then ride it all the way down here. Um, it looks like Price wants to go ahead and do that. So Price, go ahead, go see about it. I mean, reality though, if we put a fib on that, nah, she's got to go see about it. Yep, she's got to go see about it. Let me see my phone. Make sure she got closed. Did Bob decide to close the trade? With a small loss. If you're trading no ones, it would have been like $1 loss. Okay, bang. I like it like that. Bam, 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 bam. Whoa. What was that? What was that? I don't know. Any type of strong close above, you know, really above our entry is a sign to get lost. We're coming up on our 30-minute mark for the day. It's all good. It's all good. Um, I had to throw something in there, throw a little sniper in there for my futures traders, just to help y'all understand that the concepts that we teach, you know, even though I do mainly forex trading, it pertains to it all. You can trade futures better, you can trade options better, you can trade stocks better, you can trade forex better when you trade precision trading, which is the strategy that our bot is coded with, that I'm coded with, that we've been trading for years now. Um, I am gonna close out this live a little bit early because I have a chiropractic appointment to get to on the sooner side, so I gotta wash up and ready myself and close out some business while I go handle that and whatnot. Um, if y'all have any pairs specifically that y'all want me to mark up and look at, I'll do that for sure. I'm gonna start doing more of the mobile lives because that seems to give me a lot more reach and opportunity to connect with more of y'all. um, Let me show y'all this entry one more again. We're gonna wait for euro to pull back for us and give us something to make some monies off of. All right, I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.